Good morning everyone. This is RGP Vlogs and this is Romel Garcia Poblador. So for today's video ay tayo po ay magtutungo sa NPD, Northern Police District. So the reason is tayo po ay na-request to conduct one-day motorcycle riding safety seminar. So yan ang ating mission ngayon sa Northern Police District. At syempre ito po sa request na si Police Brigadier General Rizalito G. Gapas. Okay, so siya po ang Northern Police District Director. So kita-kita po tayo sa NPD. Sir, good morning. Ha? Kayong dalawa lang?
Siguro yan, makakahabol siguro yun.
Nasaan ba siya? Ha? Hindi, tigil muna tayo.
this 12th day of November 2023. To start with, let us all rise for the invocation to be led by Police Corporal Arlan D. Ebano. Tayo po ay manalangin sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Panginoon, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa buhay na inyong pinagkaloob. Naway ang aming pong aktibidad ngayon ay maging matagumpay at ang aming matututunan sa seminar na ito ay aming pong maisagawa at madala sa pagganap sa aming mga tungkulin. Ito po ang samot panalangin namin sa pangalan po ng Panginoong Hesus. Amen. For the welcome remarks, may I call on Police Lieutenant Colonel Florian D. Reynado, OIC District Community Affairs and Development Division.
To our guests and our instructors for today's activity, headed by Mr. Romel Poblador, the chairman of the Motorcycle Community Organization for Peace and Security, MCOPS. Other members, instructors, and staff, and the participants, good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to the Northern Police District one-day motorcycle riding safety seminar. With the more na may freedom tayo, may great responsibility tayo in our riding thrills. So ensuring the safety of riders and everyone, sharing the road is of paramount importance. So, and that is precisely what brings us together today. Our esteemed experts, our speakers, and participants have gathered here to share knowledge, experience, and best practices in motorcycle riding safety. Throughout the seminar, you will engage in insightful discussions, learn from each other, and explore innovative strategies to enhance motorcycle safety measures within our community. Together, we aim to create a safer environment for all riders, pedestrians, and drivers on our roads. Then I encourage you all to actively participate, ask questions, and engage in meaningful conversations. Let us make the most of this opportunity to enhance our understanding of motorcycle safety and take valuable lessons back to our respective communities and organizations. Once again, a heartfelt welcome to the one-day motorcycle riding safety seminar. Thank you for your dedication to promoting safety, and let's make this seminar a truly enriching and impactful experience for everyone involved. Thank you, and let the seminar begin.
Thank you, sir. For the presentation of participants and introduction of resource speakers, may I call on Police Major Damian A. Tubali, Chief Community Affairs Sections, DICAD.
To our Chief DICAD, Police Lieutenant Colonel Florian D. Reynado, sir. Morning, sir. Our resource speaker, Mr. Romel Poblador, and to other members of MCOPS. Good morning and a warm welcome to Northern Police District. As the Chief Community Affairs Section, I hereby present the 50 participants from District Mobile Force Battalion, District Traffic Unit, and Tactical Motorcycle Riding Unit of Kamanaba CPS. For the introduction of our lecturer, ladies and gentlemen, participants of the one-day motorcycle riding safety seminar, it is with great honor that I introduce our distinguished lecturer and speaker, Mr. Romel G. Poblador, hailing from Brook Uno, Barangay Malinta, Los Baños, Laguna. His extensive background and commitment to motorcycle safety makes him a true luminary in our community. As the National Chairman of Motorcycle Community Organization for Peace and Security, he has tirelessly mastered the cause of motorcycle safety. His commitment on his ensuring road security is further exemplified by his past role as a land. Mr. Poblador's dedication to service extends his military background, where he proudly serves as a technical sergeant in the Armed Forces of the Philippines Reserve Command of the 7th Officers Signal Battalion. This unique blend of civilian and military roles give him a distinctive and perspective on the importance of safety and discipline on the road. Moreover, he is also accredited driver instructor for the Land Transportation Office in Region 4A. His expertise is shaping responsible and skilled riders through education is truly exceptional. Without so much ado, let us welcome Mr. Romel G. Poblador, a true advocate for motorcycle safety, a dedicated public servant, and a driving force behind the promotion of responsible driving.
And now, let us all listen to the message of the Chairman of Motorcycle Community Organization for Peace and Security, MCOPS, Mr. Romel G. Poblador.
Good morning po sa ating lahat. Sa buo po ng Northern Police Districts, headed by our District Director, Police Brigadier General Rizalito Gigapas, at sa buo po ng officers po, at sa mga PNP personnel po na nandito na nagpa-participate. So ako po ay malugod na nagpapasalamat po sa tiwala po na ibinigay po ng ating Northern Police District bilang isang mga non-government organization. Gusto namin maging partner ang PNP, hindi lamang po sa anti-criminality, kundi sa kaligtasan po ng inyong pang-araw-araw na pagmumotor. So, napakarami na po na nakikita po natin ng disgrasya. Ang disgrasya po hindi lang po sa civilian. Marami na po na tayo na itala na mga nasa gobyerno, nasa serbisyo, nasa kasundaluhan at sa kapulisan po. Kaya po kami po ay bilang isang non-government organization ay willing po kami na tumulong po sa ating kapulisan, hindi lamang po sa anti-criminality, kundi po sa road safety rin po. Yun lang po at magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat at mabuhay po kayo, Northern Police District.
invitation reads, in grateful acknowledgement of his benevolent support and invaluable service that contributed to the success of the Motorcycle Riding Safety Seminar in collaboration with District Community Affairs and Development Division, certificate of appreciation is given to Mr. Romel G. Poblador, Chairman, Motorcycle Community Organization for Peace and Security. Given this 12th day of November 2023 at NPD Headquarters, Tanig Street, corner Dagat-Dagatan Avenue, Caloocan City. Signed, Police Brigadier General Rizalito G. Gapas, District Director. Same certificate of appreciation is hereby given to Motorcycle Community Organization for Peace and Security, MCOPS. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And now, may we request our OIC District Community Affairs and Development Division to indulge our resource speakers and participants for the photo opportunity. Other members po ng MCOPS, pwede po tayo mag-join. And that concludes our program.